came here, wasn't feeling so well. I feel much better now. We're working hard to get me all the way back. I have to be back because we still have to make America great again. We've done an awfully good job of that.
Now at 11, for the first time since being admitted to the hospital, we're seeing and hearing from President Trump, the Commander-in-Chief, posting a message on Twitter updating the American people on his health. And tonight, we're also learning that yesterday, Mr. Trump's blood oxygen level dropped rapidly. He also had a pretty high fever. Here's a live look now at Walter Reed Medical Center in Bethesda, Maryland, where the president continues to be monitored. Tonight, his medical team gave us an update saying Mr. Trump remains fever-free and he is not on oxygen. Good evening. Thanks for being with us. I'm Keith Jones. The doctors also stressed that while the president is, quote, not yet out of the woods, they remain very optimistic. NBC6 Kim Nguyen joins us live with more on the president's message from the hospital and the antibody treatment that he's receiving. Kim?
Well, Keith, the president put out a video thanking doctors and saying that he's doing much better. Now, this comes after he took an experimental treatment being studied across the country and here in South Florida.
I'm starting to feel good. You don't know over the next period of a few days. I guess that's the real test, so we'll be seeing what happens.
President Trump released this video message Saturday night, giving an update on his condition after being admitted to the hospital Friday for COVID-19.
I came here, wasn't feeling so well. I feel much better now.
Saturday morning, Trump's physician, Dr. Sean Conley, also talked about the president doing much better, one day after the bombshell announcement that he and the First Lady tested positive for coronavirus.
Thursday, he had a mild cough and some nasal congestion and fatigue, all of which are now resolving and improving.
White House officials say the president got an experimental antibody treatment by the company Regeneron.
These are virus neutralizing antibodies.
Dr. Lillian Abbo is a professor of infectious diseases at the University of Miami. She says 2 trials of the antibody treatment are going on right now. One to prevent someone from catching the virus, another to treat someone who's tested positive.
It goes in and it's going to target the SARS-CoV-2 virus, okay? So what this is doing is it's trying to neutralize it. It's trying to stop the virus from replicating and causing harm.
Regeneron confirms it provided the president antibody therapy under the compassionate use request, which is a way to access experimental drugs. Abbo says the University of Miami has just started its own clinical trial.
We're doing studies. We need to know if this works. We're doing this trials. They're actively enrolling, and we want to make sure that people know that there is another option for preventing or treating COVID.
And the White House says the president has also been taking zinc, vitamin D, and a daily aspirin. For now, we're reporting live in Fort Lauderdale. Kim Nguyen, NBC6 News.